everyone, welcome back to our channel, Nomad Visas, and today we're going to talk about the process of getting your US passport for traveling. Whether you're planning an international trip or simply want to have a passport on hand, the process of obtaining a US passport can seem daunting. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Gather the required documents. Before you can apply for a US passport, you'll need to gather the required documents. This includes a completed passport application, proof of US citizenship, such as a birth certificate or naturalization certificate, a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license, and a passport photo. Step 2. Fill out the application. Once you have all of the required documents, it's time to fill out the passport application. You can complete the application online or download a paper application from the US Department of State's website. Make sure to fill out the application completely and accurately, as any mistakes could delay the processing time. Step 3. Get your passport photo. Next, you'll need to get a passport photo taken. You can have your photo taken at many drugstores, post offices, and photography studios. Your photo must meet certain requirements, such as being 2 by 2 inches in size and taken against a white or off-white background. Step 4. Pay the fees. The next step is to pay the passport fees. The fees vary depending on whether you're applying for a new passport, renewing an existing passport, or getting a child's passport. You can pay the fees online, by mail, or in person at a passport acceptance facility. Step 5. Submit your application. After you've completed the application, obtained your passport photo, and paid the fees, it's time to submit your application. You can submit your application by mail or in person at a passport acceptance facility. If you're applying by mail, make sure to send in all of the required documents and fees in a secure envelope. Step 6. Wait for processing. Once you've submitted your application, it's time to wait for processing. The processing time can vary depending on the time of year and how busy the passport agency is. You can check the status of your application online or by calling the National Passport Information Center. Step 7. Receive your passport. Finally, once your passport has been processed, it will be mailed to you or made available for pickup at a passport agency. Make sure to check all of the information on your passport to ensure that it's accurate and up to date. And there you have it, the step-by-step process for obtaining a US passport. While it may seem like a lot of work, having a passport is an essential part of international travel. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe.